In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Steam 0 download speed. Now first what you want to do is open up your Steam, come up here and click on settings. In here you want to go to downloads, find limit download speed and activate this one. Now choose a small number like 5 or 10 and check if that works. If it works you can increase it if you want to download faster, but just check if this one works. Now if this doesn't work, another thing you can try is come here on your PC. If you have 2 drives, what you want to do is make sure Steam is installed on your C drive, because for some reason when it's installed on another drive it causes issue. Make sure Steam and the game you're installing is being installed on the C drive. Now if you absolutely need it to be on the D drive, there's one thing that you can try. So let's say your C drive is fully. There's one thing you can try, and that is come down here and go to Device Manager. Open up Device Manager. From in here, choose Disk Drives. Choose your second drive. This is my D drive. Right click on it. Properties. Policies. And disable this one. Now when you disable this one, for some reason, it helps with the Steam download. But if this doesn't download, try the first solution or the second solution. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.